Today, we are diving into the transformative journey of mastering your mind. By expanding your awareness and making conscious choices, you can break free from unconscious patterns and live a more fulfilling life. Let's explore the steps to personal empowerment and mind mastery. Step 1 is expanding your awareness. This involves observing your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. By practicing self observation, you can understand the causes and consequences of your actions. With this awareness, you can make conscious choices, modify your beliefs, and become more than you ever thought possible. Number 2, staying grounded. Staying grounded means accepting life as it is and living in the present moment. Instead of being pulled into abstract thoughts or worrying about the past or future, focus on the here and now. This helps you to make conscious decisions and flow naturally with life, leading to self-assurance and peace. Number 3, understanding emotions. Paying attention to your emotions can free you from automatic reactions and challenging mental states. By listening to your feelings, you gain insight into yourself and others. Reflect on what you're feeling and why, allowing your intuition and emotional intelligence to guide you. Number 4, taking responsibility. Taking responsibility for your actions frees you from self-loathing, victimhood, and anxiety. Set personal boundaries and focus on what you can control. Recognize that you are the source of your feelings and reactions, and you have the power to improve your actions and learn from mistakes. Number 5, learning from experiences. Every experience is an opportunity for learning and expanding your awareness. By taking responsibility for who you are, you can reflect on and learn from your experiences. You can only change what you accept as part of yourself, leading to greater mastery and self-awareness. Number 6, control what you can. Understand what you can and cannot control. Focus on your actions and responses, not on the actions of others or external outcomes. By concentrating on the process rather than the result, you can perfect your actions and use your energy more effectively. Number 7, embrace not knowing. Accepting not knowing and ambivalence make you more adaptable and open to learning. Embrace a beginner's mind and be willing to learn from mistakes. This openness leads to greater clarity and less suffering from unconscious biases. Number 8, tune into your body. Listen to your body and its natural rhythms. Recognize when you need rest, when you are more active. Paying attention to your needs is essential for mind mastery and self-care. Satisfying your needs allow you to be more open to different experiences and life. Number 9, seek truth and authenticity. Truth and authenticity connect all elements of mind mastery. Ensure your understanding of yourself and situations is correct. Live truthfully and examine yourself for self-deceptions or cognitive biases. Authenticity leads to harmony between your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Mastering your mind is a journey of self-discovery and personal empowerment. By expanding your awareness, staying grounded, understanding your emotions, taking responsibility, learning from experiences, controlling what you can, embracing uncertainty, tuning to your body, and seeking truth, you can achieve true mind mastery. Thank you for watching.